Hey Karen, you have a line of plagiarism on page 4 you need to fix before I grade your essay. This is how you see it. You click on the percentage tile here, which brings up this report. And let me try to make this bigger so we can see the whole thing. And then what I do is I scroll down and I look for problems. This is okay because it's in quotation marks here and here. So you're telling me already, that's been published before, so I'm good with that. And here too. And here too. So those are good. But then I get down to page 4. Oh wait, I didn't even see this one. Oh no, wait, this has, yeah, this one's okay. This has quotation marks. It's right here. You need quotation marks here, or to put it in your own words. So if you could do that and resubmit, and by the end of the day, that would be great. Thank you.